Um, Pulling over for breakfast was a good idea? Maybe not. I pulled over to see the weather because it started to snow and I wanted to know if it was going to stick. Well, it did. So I am canceling my trip to Sterling and heading back to Yuma. Or at least I'm going to try. Well, hello, fine people in warmer climates. You know what? I've avoided winter for so long, I forgot how much I loved it. Yes, it is now 26 degrees, and I am heading down Route 61 between Sterling, Oklahoma. Oh, sorry, Sterling, Colorado, and Otis, Colorado. And as you can see, it's a little nippy, but I'm a little fat. Well, not a little. I'm huge. This doesn't bother me at all. Matter of fact, I am thoroughly enjoying my ride. And I might be going a touch fast. A touch. I might. Uh, I'm starting to forget why I avoid this. I think I avoid winter just so people could go, look at that son of a bitch riding around in California in January when they're shoveling snow. I don't do it for me. I do it for you. Well, I don't know where I'm going after this, but I am at today is the halfway point. 4 more weeks and I'm going to be rolling somewhere. The question is where? Well, I guess we'll find out, won't we? But, yeah, it's good. It is alright. Pretty, too. Pretty frozen. There's a lot of ice on the road. It's definitely keeping me sharp, if you know what I mean. Isn't that pretty? Look at that, how pretty that is. Even the clouds, they're kind of eerily pretty. I'm sorry that you can't really see well because of the windshield. But let's see. Oh, temperature went down. 24 degrees, 25 degrees. I'm not sure. I can't see. My eyes are melting. So I have to have the face shield open or my audio, or all this talking will fog up my shield. How pretty that is, though. Yeah, I know. You don't agree. I get it. It's a me thing. I know. But I like variety. I like the change of seasons. I don't like the same thing constantly. I want change. I live for change. Oh, excuse me. Yep. I had to recharge my batteries when I was in Sterling. My helmet was dead. My GoPro did not like the cold. I got the Hero 7 on the front of the bike doing a hyperlapse of this road. So I'm trying to stay like relatively straight. And because, nobody wants to see me right on the road, but this, like at 20 times the speed, is actually kind of pretty. So we'll see. But and then I have the 360 camera. And that's just to do a couple shots of me, and then a couple of, 360 pictures, pan around a little bit. That way I can ride, focus on my riding, and staying stable, and watching for ice. And I can deal with all the cropping and the angles later. As you'll see this video, anytime you see me, that's from the 360 camera, and I'm cropped it. So, or if you see anything from the side, if it's not dead ahead, it's the 360 camera, or the lower resolution helmet camera, which I pretty much just use for audio. But I could have wired this all together, but the sport, after yesterday of getting everything going and getting it ready and then failing, I was like, you know what, let's just go for a ride and see what happens. Yeah. I love this. Look at this when we come over this rise. And you'll just see, like, just wide open spaces. There's not a fucktard in sight. Well, except me. You know, nothing I can do about that. Yeah. So many people are in warm places for the winter, and I'm sitting there going, well, it's not even winter yet, technically. Winter doesn't start until the end of the week. Maybe I'll be someplace warm too, but I have a strange feeling I'm not. I'm going to go someplace actually colder. I'm trying to go to Wyoming, which it sounds like a bad idea, but like I said, once I get there, I can always rent a car. I can always put the bike away, rent a car. I mean, technically, if I flew there, they'd rent me a car, and there's no difference. Or I'll just Uber, which I find is much cheaper. I would have Ubered a few times since I've been here when I was stuck home for a week, but there's no Uber drivers here. There's that. I think if I lived here, I would be an Uber driver. I would be Uber Eats. I mean, there's only 3 restaurants in Yuma, so I mean, how much money can you make? But it's better than doing nothing, right? Ooh, look, the clouds on the horizon look so cool. Oh, it got warmer. It's 26 degrees. Oh, might have to get rid of a layer. Probably should have worn long johns today. It's pretty cold out. But, you know, it's funny, but the weird thing about the legs, they kind of take care of themselves. Yeah, like they get cold like the first hour, and then you don't feel nothing, and after that, it's fine. So, I think that's, although I think I got a little frostbite on my face today, which I'll know when I get home and I look in the mirror and I'm all red burned. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Let's do a nice. Oh, the wind's blowing. Oh, the wind.